afternoon, brother. Everyone. And my media and journalist friends. I am Sanjay Agrawal, founder and group chairman, PMJC, Press Media Journalist Council. The Press Media and Journalist Council, PMJC, is an independent media and journalism intelligence body based in New Delhi, committed to evidence-based political reporting, press freedom, and journalistic integrity across India. PMJC does not represent any political party. Alliance or government, our only allegiance is to verify data and transparent methodology. What PMJC does, publishes election intelligence, synthesizing data from ECI, Election Commission of India, independent polls and economic survey also, advocates for press freedom and journalistic standards across Indian media, provides credentialing recognition for journalists through structured programs, host forum on media integrity, political reporting and civic journalism. साथ में साथ मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा भाइयों, मेरे जर्नलिज्म के साथियों, मेरे पत्रकार भाइयों, कि प्रेस मीडिया जर्नलिस्ट काउंसिल तमिलनाडु में पहली बार अपनी इंटेलिजेंस रिपोर्ट आप सभी के सामने देने जा रही है। बहुत से सालों से हम लोग जर्नलिज्म में काम कर रहे हैं। हम लोग पारदर्शी जर्नलिज्म के आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं। तमिलनाडु में लगभग 1 वर्ष से 1 year बिफोर आवर टीम वर्किंग विद ऑल assembly areas. After submit the survey, our team, we produce a intelligence report mandate 2026 with you. I give the copy, 28 page copy with you. इस कॉपी में पूरा स्ट्रक्चर वे में सभी तमिलनाडु के पार्टियों के बारे में जो भी कोई भी एक पैनी एक सीट भी जीतने के लायक है, हमने अपने सर्वे में उनके बारे में आप सभी को बताने का सार्थक सम्यक प्रयास किया है। और हम ये कहना चाहेंगे, ये पहली रिपोर्ट है, ये पहली रिपोर्ट है तमिलनाडु के अंदर जो सबसे पहले पब्लिश की जा रही है मेरी जानकारी में। इस रिपोर्ट में आधारित यह पूरा इलेक्शन होने जा रहा है, ऐसा मैं आपको दावा कर सकता हूं। इसी रिपोर्ट के आधार पे आगामी इलेक्शन तय होगा। यह रिपोर्ट ये बताएगी, अभी मौका है किस किस पार्टी के पास क्या क्या कर सकती है अपनी पार्टी को और मजबूत करने के लिए। सभी पार्टियों को एक मौका देती है प्रेस मीडिया जर्नलिस्ट काउंसिल की ये तमिलनाडु इलेक्शन की इंटेलिजेंस रिपोर्ट। और मैं बताना चाहूंगा आपको, और आपके माध्यम से ये अपील भी करना चाहूंगा तमिलनाडु की जनता को कि सभी लोगों को 100% वोट इस बार करना है, जिससे तमिलनाडु के डेवलपमेंट के लिए, तमिलनाडु के अंदर इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए, तमिलनाडु के अंदर किसी भी प्रकार के विकास के लिए, एजुकेशन के लिए, साक्षरता के लिए और सबसे बड़ी बात रोजगार के लिए तमिलनाडु में 100% व्यक्ति, अंतिम व्यक्ति, प्रत्येक गांव का अंतिम व्यक्ति तमिलनाडु के अंदर रोजगार पाए, ऐसा इस रिपोर्ट के माध्यम से हम आगाह करके यहां की पार्टियों को कम से कम एक एडवाइस करते हैं कि बेटर काम करिए, बेटर चुनाव जीत सकते हैं आप। दूसरा, पीएमजेसी भारत देश के, अपितु सिर्फ तमिलनाडु के नहीं, भारत देश के सभी मीडिया हाउस के लिए, सभी जर्नलिस्ट के लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म भी प्रोवाइड करता है कि भविष्य में आपको कोई सताए, पीएमजेसी को बताएं। पीएमजेसी एज एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आप ही के बीच की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो जर्नलिज्म और मीडिया के ऊपर काम कर रही है, और इस तरह की रिपोर्ट्स आती रहेंगी। ये अभी तमिलनाडु स्टेट इलेक्शन की हमारी पहली रिपोर्ट है। अभी इसके बाद हमारी एक और बड़ी रिपोर्ट आपके बीच में आएगी जो प्रत्येक असेंबली के बारे में हमारे दिया हुआ, हमारे द्वारा कोड किया हुआ पूरा पारदर्शिता के साथ इलेक्शन रिजल्ट हम देंगे। मैं कहूंगा आई एम ए चेयरमैन, मैं इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहा हूं आपको। आई एम चेयरमैन एंड ग्रुप चेयरमैन फाउंडर प्रेस मीडिया जर्नलिस्ट काउंसिल, एंड मेरे साथ में कुणाल प्रकाश इज अ को चेयरमैन, फाउंडर को चेयरमैन प्रेस मीडिया जर्नलिस्ट काउंसिल। ये अभी आपको और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में और हमारे सर्वे के बारे में आपको बताएंगे। पहले वी लॉन्च द आवर सर्वे, कुणाल प्रकाश, वी लॉन्च द आवर सर्वे Amended 2026, we launch Tamil Nadu election first time intelligence report. Thank you very much.
Everyone,
Vanakkam.
I am Kunal Prakash, founder and co-chairman of Press Media and Journalist Council. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you who took your valuable time and made your presence over here for the launch of the mandate 2026. Now, I want to take you to the journey of the report with very few points, not much, that what these things are included in the report. The first thing is that if we look at the Tamil Nadu election canvas, right, so there are 5.67 crore voters who are the registered voters in this election. And for the first time, women voter has exceeded the men voter. That means 2.89 crore women voters are there, around 51% voters are women. So in this election, we can see that welfare war is dedicated towards the women, to take the consideration and the favor of the women. What we have seen that DMK government is giving 1,000 rupees to them. AIDMK and BJP alliance is promising 2,000 rupees and at the same time 10,000 to the deprived family in a different manner. So these women voters has become the main welfare block votes in this election. Now, ECI has last month only concluded its report. So there, I think they have removed 74 lakh of fake data, fake voters. So these things have been included in this report. So you can see that overall the arithmetic of the voters of Tamil Nadu have been presented in this report. Now going towards the political landscape, so I would like to tell that DMK, the core politics of DMK is towards the welfare delivery, first thing, and then the Tamil, pride Tamil identity, on which the DMK is playing, has been taken shape since last couple of years over that. Now, the AIDMK and NDA Gathbandhan, the alliance actually, they are also outbounding their welfare identity by telling that 2,000 rupees will be given to the women and 10,000 rupees to the family for the relief. And EPS as the CM phase. So these 3 points, but why I'm telling fighter party? Because at least 5 to 6% vote he always used to have among his vote bank. So that factor is also going to play a very important role because his vote bank is sometimes colliding with the vote bank of DMK also. So that's an interesting factor to watch out in this election as well, because his party is also going to contest all the 234 elections 234 seats. Now,
34.
yeah. Now, we have also analyzed the different opinion polls like the Chanakya and the other news agencies, prime agencies, or also the parties' internal agencies reports, their poll surveys, and there some party has told them that we are the front runner. Some party has told that we are the front runner. So we are not speculating anything about that. We have just put it forward that what their report has said, so that you could have understanding about their internal surveys also, because internal surveys are very important factor to decide the policies and also to decide the wave and the on ground touch with the voters. So that also we have put it up in our report. Now, Tamil Nadu is a industrial state, so there is an economic battleground also, because Tamil Nadu has a GDP of 13.19 lakh crores and the second largest state economy of India. Previously, in last 5 decades, I think Tamil Nadu was always in top 3. Now the question is that the question of debt crisis, which the opposition is putting up in front of DMK, that when you were in 2021, so 4.85 lakh crore was debt. Now it's 6.2 lakh crore. Around, they have given calculation that around 5 lakh rupees debt is on per family. So that's the economic battle, that how welfare policies and welfare things will not hindrance to the economy, but also at the same time how much budget allocation we are going to give to the capital economy, capex, basically in infrastructure development, in ports, in metros, in developing the good urban amenities across urban areas. Now, the main arithmetics, we have analyzed that around 180 to 184 seats directly or indirectly is being played based on caste metrics. Around 180 to 184 seats. That's huge. If I will tell you the Kongu region, that is the Western Tamil Nadu, the 57 seats are there in that Kongu region, and DMK has only won 24 seats in last election in the Kongu. Less than 5,000 votes can impact a huge, because in 1 year belt so many seats have been won with the margin of less than. Maker in Tamil Nadu deserves access to verified intelligence and not just WhatsApp forwards and not partisan spin. So that the report is available at the PMJC website. All of you can go to the www.pmjc.news.
Very good data with me, share with me. Okay, PMJC is a real fact and real survey reports,
So
intelligence
I'd
reports.
like to add, brother, actually the core report has been prepared by the findings of the Election Commission of India's report. Then we have analyzed more than 10 to 15 different existing surveys which happened through last couple of years. Then the Tamil Nadu's economic survey of 2024, 2025 and 2025-2026. And then also all of the, because we have put an algorithm also at the same time with the intelligence system included in it, analyze the key political news platforms, what of the Tamil Nadu contest from there only. But the people and some of the key party members of him wants to contest over there.
All are my friends. Breakfast is available, so please I request you कि you take away breakfast and or also. So soft copy I have gone, hard copy I give, then soft copy amended 2026 I give today till time.
And
Okay.
also I would like that.
Please note our number and hi in WhatsApp. So I send soft copy. 87-997-044-5. 87-997-02445 is the PMJC number. So you WhatsApp मैसेज आप लोग इसमें आप रिंग कर दें तो आपको आई सेंड द अभी तुरंत अभी आपको कॉपी देता हूं इसकी हार्ड सॉफ्ट कॉपी ओके